Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel Fold. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and now enter Display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where you can change brightness level of the screen manually or via adaptive brightness. Next, we can change lock screen preferences like privacy on lock screen, add text on lock screen, show wallet, show device controls, control from locked device, double line clock, now playing function, always show time and info, tap to check phone, lift to check phone, and wake screen for notifications. Next, we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, and we can enable or disable screen attention function. Then we can enable or disable dark theme and also schedule it. Next, we can set screensaver, change display size and text size, enable or disable bold text and high contrast text. Next, we can enable night light and schedule it, and then we can change its intensity. Then we can change colors of the display between natural and adaptive. We can enable auto rotate screen, smooth display and screen protector mode. And that's basically it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.